Carnivore Revolution. I'm Jess.
And I'm Serena. And don't forget to like and subscribe below. Today we are making braciole. Did I say it right?
I don't know. Braciole. We probably will butcher it.
That's right. So when we did our video with Karen and Jackie, and look for that one where we made the chicken skins, Karen was telling us about this recipe that she makes. And so we decided that we would try it and try not to butcher the name while we do it.
Well, I think it might be okay if we say it wrong, because we're going to be making it wrong. Technically, we're going to be making it our own way. So it's not technically braciole. It'll just be our version of it, like it usually is.
And it's fine.
It's fine.
It'll be fine.
So how it's usually made is thin ribeye, mustard, prosciutto, Parmesan, and then you roll it up, skewer it, and stick it in the air fryer and baste it with some fat. But today I'm going to use a sirloin and then prosciutto with cream cheese instead of mustard. I'm going to put cream cheese on mine, and some French Savoy cheese and butter.
Nice. Okay, so I'm going to use ribeye steak that's really way too thick for this, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to pound it out. And then I'm going to use the prosciutto, and I'm going to put a little bit of ricotta cheese in it. I'm not a huge mustard fan, so I'm going to put some ricotta cheese in it with just a little bit of mozzarella, and I may put a few pepperoni inside also. Sprinkle it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese before I put it in the air fryer.
That sounds delicious. And yummy. I have my big hammer, and you're supposed to get thin ribeye and then hammer it out. I requested my husband bring this home from work because we didn't have one of those kitchen hammers.
I don't have a kitchen hammer either. I don't even think that's what it's called, but I don't have one of those. So I'm going to do the best I can with this, and we'll see what happens. Feels wrong. Definitely working though.
I like how all of the recipes so far have just been an arm workout.
Especially for you.
Oh, that's what's making the noise. This rack was making all that noise. I thought it was the counter. Oh.
Mine's making a lot more noise than necessary because this hammer has like little tiny screwdrivers in the handle. You know, like you can unscrew it and you can get the little screwdrivers out. So those are like rattling in the background.
Okay. I think it's pretty thin.
I think mine is too. I'm like really pounding it here. But mine was really too thick to begin with.
The butcher that we go to is so nice. We go to a local guy here, and he doesn't speak a lot of English, but he recognizes us when we go in, and he'll individually wrap each steak that he cuts for us and then put them in a bag. He like goes above and beyond. It's so nice.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay, I think mine's ready.
Okay, me too.
Today I'll be using my little air fryer instead of my oven because it does take the oven a long time to heat up, a lot longer than it takes my little traveling air fryer to heat up, and uses a lot more electricity. So since I'm doing such a small batch of something, I'm going to go ahead and use my little air fryer.
Okay. So the next step that you would do is you would put the mustard on, but I don't really like mustard, so I'm just going to use cream cheese.
Okay. I'm going to cut mine a little bit because they're pretty big. Okay. I'm going to put my ricotta on. Could just eat this ricotta with a spoon and it wouldn't bother me a bit.
Yeah, ricotta is my favorite.
Yeah, I love it.
I pretty much like all white cheeses, I think, except for Swiss. I really do not like Swiss. Oh, and I guess ooh, what's the one that I got at the airport and it had the brine on it?
Yeah, that's
What's
what
I can't think of it now.
wait, I just bought one. And brie.
Brie. Yeah, brie is the one. The one I got at least was super earthy and I was not ready for that.
Yeah. I bought some raw brie when we were in Maine and really liked it. And then I bought some more brie at Aldi recently here in Virginia, and I did not like it at all.
I guess it's an acquired taste.
Maybe.
So then I put my prosciutto on, and then I'm going to put some French salute cheese that I had never heard of, but it was white. So I got it to try it because it looked good. And I typically like white cheeses.
Yeah, I'm the same way.
I also didn't know that you're not supposed to eat the outside. So when I ate brie for the first time, I like bit into it and ate the outside of it.
Yeah, that could have been part of the problem.
Hopefully this melts well. Okay, and now I'm gonna roll mine up.
Wait, you're way ahead of me, Missy.
Oh, I'm only making one.
Oh, okay. Well, there's 6 people here, so yeah, so mine's gonna take a little bit longer than yours.
I'm gonna put my butter on it now.
Okay. I'm gonna put pepperoni in just a couple of them, just to be a little bit different. I can't really eat pepperoni because of that taste and smell issue I have from when I had COVID. Every now and then I can eat a piece that's hot, but cold, it does not smell good at all.
I melted my butter a little, or I softened my butter before we started, and then it hardened back up. So I'm gonna microwave it real quick.
Okay. Alrighty then. Are you gonna put any spices or anything on yours?
I'm just going to put some Redmond's real salt or Redmond real salt. I always want to add an S to the.
I do that too. Okay, a little bit of mozzarella going in mine now. Not a whole lot. I try not to eat too much cheese, but so lately I'm doing I'm eating most of the cheese that I eat is in the recipes that we make.
Yeah, me too. Basically the only cheese that I'll eat is when we cook, and it seems like all the recipes have cheese in them.
Yeah, I know. Well, because otherwise you're just grilling steak and burgers, which is also fine. Okay.
The ice cream didn't have cheese in it though.
The what?
But the ice cream didn't have cheese in it though. But do you know what I was thinking? That what are you laughing at?
Because the ice cream is already dairy.
Oh.
But that's right. It didn't have cheese in it.
Well, because
I wonder if that would be good.
No, I was thinking that. But butter and heavy cream don't affect me like cheese does.
Oh,
so I can still eat butter and heavy cream, but cheese will like if I eat too much cheese, I'll start to break out and I'll start to get really bloated. But I was thinking that the ice cream may be good if you put in whatever cheese they use to make cheesecake and make like
cream
a cheesecake.
Cheese.
Oh, is it cream cheese?
Yes, we should do that. Yes, we should totally do that. I've actually made for a snack for myself, heavy cream whipped up, it turned into whipped cream with some cream cheese in it. And that is a really good snack. So I bet the ice cream would be wonderful with that in it. Okay, mine is really, really thick.
I am a ton of butter here.
My steak was probably way too thick for this, but that's all right. It'll be fine.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine.
Here's my little guy.
Oh, wait, hang on.
It looks delicious.
It does look delicious. And I don't have skewers either. I forgot to get the skewers, so we're going to see if it works when it's just rolled up. I think
Yours
it
is
will.
gonna be a croissant,
Yes.
a meat croissant.
Yeah, meat and cheese croissant. Yep. And I'm just going to spoon some bacon grease over top of mine, which I did melt a little bit before I started. I thought I was out of bacon grease, and that was going to be really bad. Like, how does that even happen? Did you preheat your air fryer?
Yeah, I warmed it up.
I'm the same way. I think that cheese messes with me more than heavy cream, and butter for sure. I know I don't have a problem with butter.
Mm-hmm.
So the instructions say to bake it for how long?
So
Do you remember?
the instructions now say to put it in an air fryer at 400 for about 7 minutes.
Okay.
I'm gonna put salt on after I take it out of the air fryer.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and salt mine now. Mine are very big. Next time I'll be sure to get the steak sliced thinner. Okay. There we go. How many minutes did you say?
7. I just put mine on for 10 though. It's like Wolverine.
That's awesome. So it looks like mine worked without the skewers. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's nice and crispy. Woo! Nice and crispy. Ooh,
Okay, so
yum.
let's off,
So
and then
excited.
I'm gonna salt mine now.
Okay. How pretty is that? That's a recipe you could take somewhere, I bet.
Yeah, this was super easy too.
Yeah, really easy. You basically just get your meat and wrap stuff up in it.
Yeah.
Ooh, look how pretty. I kind of destroyed mine when I cut it. Look at how beautiful it is.
Okay, let's take off a bite. Ready?
Ready? Bon appetit. Oh, wow. Ooh, that's wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
That is very good.
I wonder how you're supposed to eat it because mine's kind of falling apart.
Mine is too. So that was the one with pepperoni. I'm going to try one of the ones that doesn't have pepperoni in it. That is very good.
Mm-hmm. I didn't add too much cheese, so it's a very light flavored cheese. It's really good. I like it. It's not
Oh, okay.
overwhelming.
I bet I would really like it with the cream cheese too.
Mm-hmm.
Meaty and cheesy. So I actually like it better without the pepperoni. Now that could just be me with my taste and smell issue where pepperoni is still really off for me. But I like it better without the pepperoni. And I could see somebody who can use spices. I can totally see somebody who can use spices, adding several different spices in to see how it tastes. But this was a super easy, simple, quick recipe.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
It was very good.
I just got a bite of the French salute cheese that I put in there. That one tasted really good with that. And it melted really well too.
Yeah, I bet you could experiment with several different kinds of cheeses, and I bet it would taste different with each kind of cheese.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it paired really well with the prosciutto.
Mm-hmm. And such an easy, almost like fancy recipe to take somewhere. People would be really impressed. You bring these yummy rolled up things. Can you see them?
Mm-hmm.
Like I can see putting these on a tray and taking them somewhere.
Yeah.
That is really good. Really good. I really enjoyed that one. That's delicious.
Yeah, and you just have to, then you have to impress them with saying it correctly. That's the hardest part. And you have to do the hand.
One hand or two.
Well, I'll do one.
Braciole, right?
Braciole.
Braciole.
And I can definitely see this being as like a everyone enjoying it again. I feel like all of our recipes we've tried so far, even if you're not carnivore, you would still enjoy it.
Yeah, I think so too. I think that's the beauty of it. And everybody likes meat and cheese, even if they don't want to admit it.
Yeah, I agree. That's like I feel like every girl likes flowers, even if there's girls out there that's like, don't get me flowers, get me something else. And it's like, girl, if you showed up with flowers, you'd be like, oh my god. I don't believe girls in the
So
don't like flowers. Yeah.
That's so true. They always make you feel good.
Always.
Which it's really funny. It's the same way with beef.
Beef and flowers. The way of a girl's heart.
That's right. Give me a steak or a burger and I'm in.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that wraps it up, I guess. That was super quick today.
That wraps it up.
Oh, see what I did there?
I know this was really easy and really simple, and there wasn't too much that like either of one of us could mess up or do wrong.
That's right.
If you have a hammer, I feel like you can do whatever you want with this recipe. I hope.
Yeah, that's right. And this recipe was so quick and easy that we were actually able to clean everything up while it was cooking in the air fryer. So we didn't even use like a lot of bowls or pots and pans for this one. This one was really great, super easy cleanup too. So if you're looking for a quick, easy recipe, whether to take somewhere or keep at home, these would last for several days in the refrigerator. You could just reheat them. I think this is definitely a winner.
Mm-hmm. Me too. 2 thumbs up. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe down below.
We'll see you here next time on the Carnivore Revolution.